Hi, you guys. Welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Crafty Homemaker, and today I'm very excited to be announcing our make-along for August, another year of the make-alongs 2026. So, if you are new to Year of Make-alongs or another year of the make-alongs, every month I set a prompt for us to focus on. In 2025, we were really primarily focusing on using our stash. 2026 still kind of the focus for a lot of us, but if you don't have stash to work from, that's perfectly fine as well. For July, we did Christmas and July. For August, we are going to be doing single skein projects. And I know for a lot of us, these are going to kind of bleed one right into each other. And it's kind of like our single skein Christmas in August now, getting projects ready for shows and gifts and everything else. So single skein projects, no fiber type, no fiber weight, just single skeins. If you have a sock set, obviously you can use the mini that came with your skein to get what you need. Or like if you're like me and really like the look of the, and particularly the heel and the toe of a sock being a contrasting color, feel free to use that contrasting color. But this is really to focus on those single skeins. A lot of times we have leftovers. A lot of times, we're on vacation. We find like that really cute skein we love on vacation, and then takes us forever to finally decide what we're going to be doing with it. So single skein projects. If you want to enter your projects for the project shares, you can submit them on Facebook in our Facebook group. Please answer all 4 questions or else I will not approve you to enter the group. If you don't see 4 questions there, wait for the page to load and then answer the questions. They are there, I promise. Also, we have a group on Ravelry. So if you want to come over to the Ravelry group to submit your pictures, you can do that as well. You also can email me. The directions and locations of the groups are all in the description box for this video. We also have our quarterly make along, which is weight focused. We are still working through our fingering weight stash as well. So I will still be hoping, I'm part of the group, that Christmas in July is just going to keep going through August. I need to do pot holders and market bags for my brother and his family, hats and scarves or cowls for him and his family. I have some socks that I want to work on. I have some socks that I'm in the middle of finishing. I have some socks that still need to cast on. So that's kind of probably going to take up most of my August, along with like my row 1 project and things like that. So it's going to be busy over here, but August is actually set out to be a very balls to the wall month. I am not going to have a whole lot of breathing space for the month of August. So fingers crossed that I can at least get some of these projects done myself, but I will be working towards it. So I look forward to seeing what you guys come up with. Drop a comment down below. What are some of your favorite single skein projects to do? What is your favorite single skein project weight yarn? Like, are you a DK person? Are you a worsted person? It's a little bit harder to do a whole project in a single skein of bulky, but if you've got if you've got an old school skein of like Barcelona or a puzzle hanging out, it can be done. Drop a note down below. Let us know what you plan on working on. I love you guys. I hope you're having a wonderful, fantastic day. As always, I look forward to seeing you real soon. Bye, you guys.